Got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you're next to me.
Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations, and we have some handsome fellas in the house today that are my new friends, and I am crazy about them. Today is my first of many episodes of featuring up-and-coming artists, even some artists that have been around for a while that I feel and deserve some recognition. I don't know how I find these guys. They're out of California, and I was driving one day back and forth to Asheville, and well, Rick was actually driving, and I was sitting there and I was searching YouTube, and I'm always trying to find people that have new ideas or just a wonderful disposition, and I watch them. And I found these two fellas a couple of weeks ago. Masse Art Studios guys, promise me that you will reach out and take a look at them and tell them that I sent you. Sweet Lee and Jeremy are a hoot. They have only been painting for just a couple of months, and they started their YouTube channel, and they are such a joy to watch. You can tell that they love their life, they love their painting, and they love each other, and they touch me. They touch my heart. They're really, really good guys. I am going to post in the link in the description box, the link to their channel and all the information that you need to go over and visit them. They paint together, they compete together, and it's often just absolutely adorable. And they try everything, and they show you everything. They try every single technique that they can. They are passionate about this, and I am so pleased to feature them as the up-and-coming artist of the week. Lee and Jeremy, I love you guys. I am going to be posting pictures throughout of some of their work, and we're doing a collaboration.
Of course, absolutely.
Right, people, buckle those seatbelts. You're going to be in for a funky ride. This is the Masse Art Studio and Kathleen from COZ Creations collab. Yes. Let's get this party started.
Got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you're next to me. Got my heart upon my sleeve, can I hide the way I feel when you're next to me, girl? Got the kick in every move, and I fought it's like a fool for you, for you. Wish I knew just what it was, but why should I make a fuss? Just stay next to me, girl, next to me, girl. Something special, don't know why, something special that I like about you, about you. There's a mystery entwined, something bigger to define about you, about you. special about you. Got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you're next to me. Got my heart upon my sleeve, can I hide the way I feel when you're next to me, girl? Got the kick in every move and I fought us like a fool for you, for you. Wish I knew just what it was, but why should I make a fuss? Just stay next to me, girl, next to me, girl. Something special, don't know why, something special that I like about you, about you. There's a mystery entwined, something bigger to define about you, about you. Am I the only one to see? Got me down on my knees, taken by your gravity. And I just know you got that something, something special about you. Got me under lock and key, but I don't wanna be free when I'm next to you. You're like honey to a bee, I go crazy for the sweet when I'm next to you, girl. Got the kick in every move and I fought us like a fool for you, for you. It might seem that I'm dumb, but it's you that's got me stunned. Stay next to me, girl, next to me, girl. Something special, don't know why, something special that I like about you, about you. There's a mystery entwined, something bigger to define about you, about you. Am I the only one to see? Got me down on my knees, taken by your gravity. And I just know you got that something, something special about you. You got it down, shake my ground, and I can't get enough, got me spellbound. And every day, in every way, I just know there's something about you. Something special, don't know why, something special that I like about you, about you. There's a mystery entwined, something bigger to define about you, about you. Am I the only one to see? Got me down on my knees, taken by your gravity. And I just know you got that something special about you. Dance around your feet until the beat start again. Oh, and then do it the same. Magnetized, you feel a big appeal, flying high. Oh, just like a moth to the flame. When you get that feeling, they can be deceiving. Tell it like it is, 'cause I need to know you were playing with fire. Can't you see? You better take it easy, let it go, 'cause you should have known better. You should have known better. Heading for the street into the heat of the night. Yeah, alright, do it again. You should have seen it come. You acted numb, don't deny. You are like a moth to the flame. When you get that feeling, they can be deceiving. Tell it like it is, 'cause I need to know you were playing with fire. Can't you see? You better take it easy, let it go, 'cause you should have known better. You should have known better. got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you're next to me. Got my heart upon my sleeve, can I hide the way I feel when you're next to me, girl? Got the kick in every move and I fought just like a fool for you, for you. Wish I knew just what it was, but why should I make a fuss? Just stay next to me, girl, next to me, girl. Something special, don't know why, something special that I like about you, about you. There's a mystery entwined, something bigger to define about you, about you. Am I the only one to see? Got me down on my knees, taken by your gravity. And I just know you got that something special about you.